So last night was apparently the coldest day we had, or the coldest temperatures we've had in 2 years. And it's Friday, end of my first welding class, and looking outside, everything just looks still. I bet it is really cold. Let's see. Jesus Christ, it is cold. Yeah, it's still cold. Alright, figure I'll take you to class with me so you can see what I do every day, people I deal with. Here we go. Warmed up and I've driven about like a mile and a half or whatever. And it's developed a new sound. I don't know if it's because it's cold out, but my steering wheel. I just thought I'd share that. It seemed kind of funny. Gotta go. Holy moly, it's really freaking cold. I don't recommend anybody being outside. I made it with just enough time to power walk over to class. I'm here. Holy shit, it's cold out here. Yep, those big tractors over there, we work on those. I'll film some more later. Dylan, what's up? Why not? What's up? What are you gonna do? Get upset? Huh? You gonna do? Get upset? What's up with that?
What's up? How you doing?
Oh yeah? Yeah?
Woke up in the middle of the night. That's what's up.
Yeah, welding class. What's up, Larry?
It's a quote from my buddy Tex, sent me this morning. Life is better today than I ever thought possible. Even with the presence of pain, you got it too. I have the presence of peace. All thanks to glory to Jesus. Thanks and glory to Jesus. Wait, hold on. The great physician.
Is that it?
That's it.
Praise Jesus, hallelujah!
Praise Jesus!
Hallelujah! We've had a little bit of preaching by Matthias. Hope you all enjoyed that. We're gonna go home and make some lunch. Chunky soup, 4 for $5 at the P&S. I'll show you when we get there. Alright, it's lunchtime. Let's make some soup. Remember that soup I was talking about a couple seconds ago to you? About 25 minutes ago for me. Okay, here we go. Got this. Here's my big bag of soup. Let's grab the first one. Oh yeah. Steak and potatoes. Alright. Let's make it. Here's what we do. Pop this open. God, I wish I had 2 hands. Pop this open. Turn on oven or stove. Pour it in there. God, it looks so good. Make sure there's none left in there. And while we're waiting for my soup to cook, I was wondering if you guys have any ideas for things you want me to cover, go over video of me doing or whatever. Yeah, let me know. Video responses or comments are also always welcome. Yeah, I'm running a little dry on ideas, so gotta start. So let me know. I mean, a little strapped for ideas, so I figure I'll do something that you actually want to see instead of me doing everyday things that just come up. That's good. Let me know. Alright, now that's over. Soup is amazing. I make grilled cheese sandwiches. I'll show you that some other time. I'm going to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwiches. But I'm going to work now. And I suppose I'll take you with me, but I can't really take you in. So I'll leave you in the car. But it'll be fun nonetheless. And now I'm at work, so next time I talk to you, all of this outside will be dark due to the it'll be 5 hours later, but due to the magic of video editing, it'll be like a second. So, see you later. Told you it'd be dark out. Well, I'm off work now. I'm gonna go home. And this is what you're gonna be seeing in a bit. Huh? Enjoy, I guess. Even though this is the end of the video. Have a good one.